In this video, we will discuss two very commonly described chest auscultation sounds, wheeze and crackles. Wheeze is a musical, continuous sound and is generated due to turbulent flow through narrow airways. If it is due to widespread narrowing, it results in polyphonic wheezing sounds, which has a mixture of various pitches. If it is due to fixed narrowing of a large airway, it results in single wheezing or monophonic wheezing. Now, wheezing may be expiratory or it may be inspiratory. Now, expiratory wheeze is related to flow limitation and can even be produced by normal subjects by forced expiratory maneuvers. Inspiratory wheeze, on the other hand, is common in asthma but cannot be produced by healthy subjects unless it originates from the larynx. Mechanically, wheezing sounds is very much like releasing air from an inflated balloon while stretching the outlet and making it squeal. This is an example of a wheezing sound. Crackles, also called rails, are non-musical, discontinuous lung sounds. They are found during inspiration The sound mechanism is very similar to drinking through a straw when you get down to the last sip at the bottom of the cup. Crackles are perceived as either fine or coarse depending on the duration and frequency of the brief and dampened vibrations created by these mechanisms. Fine crackles are high-pitched, low-amplitude, short-duration sounds heard during late inspiration. They are unaffected by cough and are gravity-dependent. They are not transmitted to mouth. These are unrelated to secretions and are associated with various diseases like interstitial lung fibrosis, congestive heart failure, and pneumonia. They can be the earliest sign of disease, for example, idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis or asbestosis. They may even be present even before radiological changes. Now, coarse crackles are low-pitched, high-amplitude, short-duration sounds. They are heard during early inspiration and expiration. Coarse crackles are affected by cough and are transmitted to mouth. Their presence indicates intermittent airway opening and may be related to secretions, for example, chronic bronchitis. Crackles are produced due to rupture of liquid plugs or menisci in small airway as they pop open. During start of inspiration, the liquid plug starts propagating due to the push generated by the air pressure difference. The plug, as it travels farther, becomes more and more thinner because it is losing volume to the airway surface liquid lining the wall. The thinning finally causes the plug to rupture. This rupture is an explosive event which equalizes the air pressure, while the surface tension snaps liquid back into the cells. Both of these actions contribute to the acoustic signature of a crackle. An additional feature would be wall flexibility, so that the radius of the tube suddenly increases at rupture of liquid plug. In other words, the airway pops open due to the sudden release of tissue tension. Crackles can be heard in both pneumonia and bronchiolitis. Also, presence of crackles does not definitely indicate either of these diagnoses, as it may be present in other conditions like congestive heart failure. Crackles do not differentiate between pneumonia and bronchiolitis. Many guidelines include crackles in the definition of bronchiolitis. Thank you.